Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your wallet address to Satoshi mining app to receive your Colend tokens successfully. I'll be showing you guys how you can link your Colend withdrawal address to Satoshi. So guys, it's very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on the wallet icon. You can see there on the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on your Colend asset. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on Colend. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see link withdrawal address. You can see there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is required of you. For the first field, you need your wallet address, and the second field, you need your asset password. So guys, once you get the withdrawal address and you input your asset password, then you can link your Colend withdrawal address to Satoshi. So guys, it's that easy. So guys, I will be showing you guys what withdrawal address you need to get and also how to get it. So guys, before I go ahead now to show you guys, let me get to show you guys the instructions that we are required to follow in order to link our wallet address. Let me go back now. There's an instructions here in Satoshi app. So guys, let me tap on the announcement icon. So guys, now you can see it, airdrop announcement, wallet submission for Colend tokens. Colend airdrop on Satoshi app has ended. You can see it said, please note the following important information for wallet submission to receive your tokens. You can see wallet submission period is between 1st of July to 20th of July 2024. So you have about 19 days. So guys, now let's go over to the wallet address that is needed and see what's written there. Core EVM addresses required. Make sure to submit your core wallet addresses only. So guys, you only need core address. So guys, I can see what's written down there. No centralized exchange address. Do not use centralized exchange wallet addresses, as you will not be able to receive your tokens. So guys, don't use centralized exchange address. For instance, Binance. Don't use Binance address here. You have to use decentralized exchange addresses like from MetaMask, Trust Wallet and OKX Wallet. So guys, that's the one that you need to go for. Trust Wallet, MetaMask, OKX Wallet and the rest of them. So guys, I will show you guys using the OKX Wallet because I have my OKX Wallet. So guys, now these are the instructions we need to follow. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can copy your core address on OKX Wallet. I have an OKX account, so let me go over to my OKX Wallet right away. Yeah, so guys, once your OKX app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on wallet. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Don't leave it at exchange. OKX exchange is a centralized platform. You have to tap on wallet. OKX wallet is decentralized. So guys, let me tap on wallet right away. So guys, now you can see welcome to Web3. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on crypto. You can see there is being selected already. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now what you have to do now is to look for core crypto here, core asset. You can see it. Let me scroll through it. So guys, now you can see the core assets right there. You can see the core token. You can see the core crypto. The arrow is pointing at it. But guys, in case you can't find the core crypto right here, what you have to do is to tap on manage crypto. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So once you tap on manage crypto, then what you have to do now is to search for core. So guys, let me type in core right away. Let me type it in. Core. So guys, once you tap on core, you will find it. You can see there at the top. Then what you have to do now is to select it to add it up to that page that we just left. So guys, it's important to add it to that page. I could see the core crypto right there because I've added it. You can see if you've not added it, you see a plus sign. They'll be able to add it to that page that we just left now. So guys, let me go back now to the page. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on core. So let me tap on core right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on receive. So let me tap on receive. So guys, now you can see your core wallet address right there. You can see there being a cycled. For you to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon there on the right hand side. So guys, let me tap on it right away. But guys, if I tap on it, you can see what's written there. Only send core network access to this address. So guys, this is the right address. So let me tap on copy already. So guys, now you can see receiving address copied. So guys, what I have to do now is to go over to my Satoshi app to link the wallet address. So guys, now let me go back now to Satoshi. Let me minimize, then tap on Satoshi. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the wallet icon again. You can see there on the right. Let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on the Colend airdrop again. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next step now is to tap on link withdrawal address. So let me tap on it. So guys, what I will do now is to paste the wallet address I just copied from my OKX wallet. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it. So let me go ahead now to input my asset password. Let me do that real quick. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my asset password. What I have to do now is to tap on where it is written Colend link withdrawal address. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, what I have to do next now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm. So guys, now you can see a notification down there. An email has been sent to our email inbox. So what you have to do now is to go over to your inbox, your email inbox, and get the verification code that was sent to your email. So guys, you can see what's written there. If you do not receive the email, please check whether the email is in the trash or spam folder. So guys, let me go over to my Gmail inbox now to get the verification code. So guys, I've gotten the code, so let me go ahead now to type it in. So guys, now you can see I've typed it in, so let me tap on confirm. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You have to verify that you're not a robot. You can see it, I am not a robot verification. So you have to tap on start verification. So let me tap on start verification.
Position your face in the frame. Position your face in the frame. Turn your head slowly to the left. Open your mouth. Raise your head slowly.
So guys, now after you're done with the face verification with the KYC, what you have to do next is to tap on Colend link withdrawal address. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now what you have to do next is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm right away. Wow guys, you can see Colend withdrawal address link is successfully. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can connect your Colend withdrawal address to Satoshi to receive your Colend airdrop and your token. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment as that will help grow this channel. So guys, see you in our next upload. Bye.